other beginnings end. Ends are not bad things. They just mean that something else is about to begin. And there are many things that really don't need just end. Just like learning, because there is no end to learning. It's not like when you read a book and pass an examination and then learning is finished. It's not like that. An end of something is a beginning of something else. Something great is ahead on your way. So never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Now we are at the end of our mega event credit clash. First, the RBI was giving license for public sector bank. Then you had sent an application letter to central bank. Then you got the license approval letter from central bank. Then next was an auction round. In that you had decided when to bid, how much to bid, how high or low you want to go, where you got to know about how actual auction process works and what are its benefits. From the auction round, you had got bank building, then you bought equipment for your bank. Next was the bank balance sheet, where you have learned how bank forms its balance sheet and how balance sheet is affected by values of assets and liabilities. It helps to calculate the profitability and efficiency of a bank. It provides a snapshot of bank's assets and liabilities for a financial year. Dr. Svedaj?
So next, what you have done is analyze different companies by checking various parameters, and then you had negotiated for the loan amount. Then you have seen various parameters that were taken into consideration while granting the loans. Then you had gone through concept of NPS recovery and had to put forth your opinion on it. Then you had played normal trading round where you decided how many stocks you are going to buy for each company. You have analyzed news and various companies invested in company. Also, while investing in companies, you had considered the current market situation. Then you subscribed an IPO. It was and then was the intraday round. The most important tip to learn in intraday trading was to learn which stock to trade in. Stocks can be bought and sold in higher quantities without affecting the price much. With this, you have learned to make decision making skill and risk taking.
Now you have seen that how to establish bank, what are important terms for a bank, and how to invest in share market. Now by taking reference of all these things, you can study more. Even you can establish your own bank in future, or you can find share market as a good option for investment. So hope you guys enjoyed these 2 days and learned many financial terms. Wish you all the best for your bright future. And hope you all are excited for results. So we'll at 6 p.m. in the Zoom meeting. Okay. So it's time for feedback.
Anyone who wants to give feedback about the event, anything good, bad, what could have been much better from our side, anything you can.
What are your expectations?
Yes.
Anything you can share?
I found the event was much informative for us, and it was very necessary for us to learn about the financial stability. Um, so it's very good, and everything should learn and participate in these types of events. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank
Thank
you,
you for
Karan.
While sharing feedback, you can switch on your cameras if possible.
that
Yes.
would be better.
That would be better. We could have screenshots of our participants too.
Yeah. Anyone
Am I
else who
audible?
want to go? Yes, yes, you're audible.
So I would have to appreciate all the efforts of the organizers to make this possible. Actually, we learned quite a lot of stuff that we didn't thought of. Like I never thought that like on the Friday night that I would be getting such kind of experience in the next 2 days. These kind of terms I would know. Even though I don't know much, but yeah, I've got some basic idea of it. And yeah, some kind of interest is there to give my more time to, and I will learn for more ahead for sure. And yes, it's good to like I understand what kind of efforts are required to analyze. Like we we might think that like your opinions towards it, but the back end effort that you guys have been for analyzing the markets, formulating everything, like the Google sheet of yesterday, that required effort for it, and for every PDF making and IPO shortlisting, everything as such, that requires effort. Even the the shortlisting round, that was also good. So it requires efforts, and like I appreciate that, and or it was amazing. Even though there were like we participants might have asked you all several questions during the session, but it's fine. Like it happens. So yet it was a great event, and hoping for the good results. Thank you so much for providing a good experience.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
Ankur, you're audible.
Yes.
So the event was well organized. It was a great event, and I have learned a lot from this event, and it has motivated me to learn more about financial literacy and develop more. Thank you.
Anyone else who want to say something?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, so recently I actually started investing in stock and I found this event very interesting and of my interest. So I took part in it, and to be honest, I had literally no idea about stock market and everything, and yet I was investing. I felt like that after participating in this event, and now I have a really brief idea about what investment is and how we have to actually approach the market and decide which stocks we have to buy and different IPOs and the fundamentals which you presented in front of us in terms of PDF which you provided. That will be really helpful for us, not only now, but even in future when we can refer to it and understand different concepts. So it would be a really nice thing. And overall, the event was very, very fantastic. Means no one could have imagined that this great event could be conducted in an online mode through the breakout rooms in between 16 teams, 16 or 18. How many teams are there amongst those teams?
16,
And
16
yeah, 16 teams, and which was a really great thing. All the organizing and management team, you are just phenomenal, and the back end work which you put in, it was really great. All the efforts we can see, and it's quite appreciating. Great.
Actually, I would also add,
Thank you.
like, add
Thank you.
something. As Satya mentioned that it was conducted in online. Like the choice of the theme which you selected is very important for conducting it. And if this event was conducted in offline mode, then it would have been just phenomenal. But yeah, the choice of this event in online mode was very good, because this can happen in online mode too, because market usually happens online. That's like, so very good choice of theme, I would also say. So yeah, hats off to the planning committee.
Thank you, Aman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, it was the great experience throughout the whole 2 days. And I also like to appreciate all the core committee members for making this event successful, even in this condition also. Like I as a participant know how problem I got during the events and all the participants, but you all solve it very wisely or very calmly. So I want to I appreciate you all only, and the event and the timeline of the whole event was the great. So and in the last session of day 2, I really enjoyed that session. Like I was playing it very happily, or I can't explain it to you, but I really enjoyed the last session. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjari. Anyone else?
Thank you so much, Manjari.
Yeah, I would also like to share my experience. The event was planned and organized very well. Actually, despite of being the fact that it is an online event, but we didn't get bored. Really, we didn't get bored at any session or at any time, and that was the great achievement of the core committee, which I would like to appreciate. You continuously kept us engaged from starting to the end, and it requires very much preparation and high skills of execution, because through such a long duration you are conducting an event, and it is common that we might get bored, but at any point of time we haven't get bored, and that was a really big achievement. And the second thing is that the mentors were always there to help us and to guide us. And you have really chosen the good mentors who are really educated. And the third thing is about financial literacy. The people like us are very lazy. They don't go and search what is IPO, what is SaaS and everything. So that thing is very important in an entertaining and funny way. You are telling those things and educating us about financial literacy. And that is why I will especially like to thank the core committee of Credit Clash. Thank you very much.
So it means a lot for us.
Thank you so much, Sohan.
Thank you so much.
Anyone? Anyone else?
Raj, you are on mute.
Sorry, my bad. So yeah, it was a great event first of all, and the starting it was started back and we had 4 iterations. So it felt like the design of newspapers. It felt like they have designed in a professional way, and also you took care of utmost what things one could decipher and what things one could not. And the sessions were really fantastic. As for the first years and the second years members who are new to this world of finance, they might like there is a thing which is a interest. So if you bombard interest from the external, eventually the person develops from within. So that is one thing, and it is important for every student, not only from engineering but every student. I think that part is already done from your side, and it is a really good thing which will definitely improve. It contribute in some fractions to our nation, and it is done. So it is a good decision. So to conduct event in this theme, then the event day, to be true, I was actually worried how gonna be it, because I had been a part of Rotaractive event for like at all the events till now. So I was expecting yesterday also Ria asked about feedback, so I said it is good, but I really enjoyed the event which we used to have online. But to be true, I felt like how it can be, because today I am the one who wanna change my yesterday's statement. It really doesn't make feel. It really did not make much difference whether it is online or offline. The thing that matters is the event of Rotaract, and it has its standard and the professionalism maintained. So that's for the best part. The day one was actually too much fiery, and we were getting a lot of tension while bidding, while filling those balance sheet, and the time was less. So we tested our time management skills, and the next day was negotiation. So it also cross checks our soft skills. So it was like a kind of brain twister as well as a personality check event for all. And last but not the least, everyone has learned a lot, and I wish everyone to learn ahead. And last but not the least, a great thanks to core committee for organizing such a wonderful event. That's from my side.
Thank you, Rotaractive.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, Rotaractive.
Thanks, Rotaractive Raj. But just to add a sentence to Rotaractive Raj, what Raj has experienced in last 3 years, we also tried to maintain the same legacy. What the benchmark our seniors have set to us.
Yeah, actually.
Just we have tried to match that benchmark. Hope so.
And I think it did right, because conducting online such event is a great challenge, and you executed it well. The last round, the negotiation round, like I felt like moving from one table to another table, which used to have it offline, right? Running here and there. So I was like changing breakout rooms, talking with people. It was a great experience within itself. So thanks once again. Yeah.
Thank you, Raj.
I would request everyone present here, volunteers, mentors, core committee members, participants, alumni, everyone, please switch on your videos. Your all presence matter us. Just we can have a snapshot like this. And if anybody is ready to give their feedback, that is also welcome. Till that time, we can have a snapshot.
Hello, Rotractor Riya. This is Rotractor Shivani.
Yes, Rotractor Shivani.
Yeah, so I can see from the feedback, like I was there for yesterday's first bidding session and for the last negotiation session today. And I really feel that what Rotractor Raj has mentioned, that you have continued that legacy, and like while giving this feedback also, like my heartbeats are so high, like I have got so emotional that I feel the same thing, that you have done a great job. Though it is online or offline, you haven't put down that benchmark of Retract, and that's a great thing. And hats off to all the people in the back end, in the front end, and everyone who has put their efforts to bring the success of Retract and continue with success of Retract. That's a great thing. Kudos to everyone who has contributed for this. And that's what I would say. Yes, that's a great thing you guys have achieved in the online mode also, because we have seen that our office meetings are going online, and how it is difficult to like keep people engaged in the online mode. But you have done that job in a very great manner, maintaining those breakout rooms and being there available 24, like all the time to the participants. Because in the offline mode, it is also difficult to manage the queries of all the participants, but in online mode also you have done that thing. That's a great thing you guys have achieved. Congrats to one and all. And I will definitely say that you you never lose, you either win or you learn. So all the participants, I hope that you have learned a lot from this. And yes, great job.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. So good afternoon everyone. This is Samir Boshette. I'm an alumnus. I was with Rotractor Shivani, the person who just spoke. I'd like to congratulate all the participants first, the 32 members, 16 teams. You have been great. I would say in online mode things are difficult to manage, but you didn't lose your calm. You banked your questions very rightly. I also joined couple of the rooms as well. The way you people were negotiating, absolutely fantastic. Usually these things and these events we usually conduct offline. But since the situation taken into consideration, things have been great. Also, congratulations to all the organizers as well. The legacy that we always think of. I would 100% agree with Shivani that that has been kept. I would say rather a step ahead. We never thought that online mega event could be someday a thing.
Definitely, yes.
That,
they have set the benchmarks now higher for the upcoming people.
Upcoming batches, absolutely. I got into thinking like if what would have happened if during my final year core committee preparations, if something like this comes up, like I had to completely make an event online, so I would be taken aback. I guess Shivani would also agree. You would be taken aback. Everything would be on.
Yes. You have to keep your morals very high to do this thing online and have that guts in you to do this thing online. Yes, definitely.
Absolutely. 142 submissions. Individual the problem statement and the way this year problem statement was there, that was also great. Congratulations everyone, Riya, Jeevan, everyone, backend team as well. I hope this year you did not experience the decoration kind of a thing, but let it be. You will experience this in upcoming days. So kudos to everyone. Congratulations to all the participants. I hope you got a good taste of what finance and financial domains are. I would say that's it. Just keep connected with Rotractors and these people. They have a lot in their back. That I would say. So thank you everyone. We as alumni, I hadn't left the entire thing since morning. Since 10 o'clock, I am either or in a meeting or connecting with previous seniors. There are seniors from 2010 batches as well. So each one of us are very nostalgic, I would say, nostalgic about getting into an event. So thank you for keeping this thing open for everyone. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Dr.
Yes,
Yes, you
Dr.
are
Shubham.
audible.
Okay, so first of all, to all the participants, hearty congratulations. And to brief you about who spoke now, Rotractor Shivani, she was the president of 2017-2018, and Rotractor Samir, he was a core committee member of Kripnans. And very rightly mentioned by Rotractor Samir that if at all, he just spoke that if the pandemic would have hit him in the final year. So if you remove that word if, it really did to us. And so we had to cancel the mega event last year. But the challenge that this batch of 2021 and all the members, right, from second year, third year, they took it as a challenge and executed the event very, very nicely. And though I was not able to attend many sessions, but from the feedback and what I could read in the chat and what Raj spoke, like he could really compare what the offline event is and online event is because he has attended so many of them. So it is a very authentic comment from his side, and I believe that it was a very good learning experience for all of you. So keep it up, everybody, and keep the track spirit burning and keep learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotractor.
Thank you, Shubham bhai.
Thank you, Dr. Shubham.
Thank you, Rotractor Shubham. Telling Rotractor Shubham is an alumni of batch 2020 last year, and also like event isn't officially over. We are remaining with our prize distribution. So like many of you may or may not present for tomorrow evening's prize distribution. So I would like to thank our alumni present. Like we had thanks to this online mode so that we can interact with our alumni which are from the batch of 2010. And also one alumni which is from the batch of 2005, Rotractor Mangesh Nimgaonkar, and from 2010 batch Rotractor Uday Suryavanshi and Rotractor Sanchiman Upadhyay. So I would like to thank them. There were other alumni too, but these were the two old alumni which could be specially mentioned that they took their after. Thanks to this online mode, this wouldn't have happened if it would have been online.